If you're looking to build a compact PC without sacrificing performance, then Mini ITX cases are your best bet. These cases not only save space, but also offer exceptional performance, making them perfect for anyone who wants a sleek and powerful setup. Let's take a look at the best Mini ITX PC cases for 2026 that will give you a powerful PC without taking up too much space. The Fractal Design Era 2 is one of the most stylish and well-built Mini ITX cases out there. Designed for those who want both aesthetics and functionality, this case offers plenty of space for high-end components while maintaining a clean and minimalistic design. The Era 2 supports full-size GPUs and has a sleek, all-aluminum exterior that gives it a premium look. Inside, you'll find ample cooling options with support for multiple radiators or fan setups, so your system will run cool even under heavy loads. It's easy to build in and offers excellent cable management, ensuring that your setup remains neat and organized. Whether you're building a powerhouse gaming PC or a sleek workstation, the Fractal Design Era 2 is a fantastic choice. Check out the link below for more details and the pricing. If you're looking for a Mini ITX case that offers high airflow and versatility, the Silverstone Technology SUGO 14 is worth considering. With a compact design that still allows for full-size components, this case offers great expandability and performance. It supports a variety of cooling options, from air cooling to liquid cooling setups, ensuring that your components remain cool during long gaming sessions or intense workloads. The SUGO 14 has a unique layout that makes it easy to build in, with plenty of room for cables and storage drives. It also offers a stylish design with a front mesh panel for better airflow and a sleek look. If you're looking for a case that balances compact size and cooling performance, the Silverstone Technology SUGO 14 is a great option. Check out the link below for more information. The Lianli A4-H20 is known for its clean and sleek design, but it's not just about looks, it's built to deliver top-tier performance. This case offers a unique feature. It supports custom water cooling, making it an excellent choice for users looking to build high-performance gaming rigs or workstations. Despite its compact size, the A4-H20 supports high-end components, including powerful GPUs and full-size cooling systems, so you don't have to compromise on power. It also offers impressive cable management options and comes with a removable motherboard tray, making the build process much easier. With its aluminum construction and minimalistic design, the Lianli A4-H20 is perfect for users who want a sleek and powerful build without sacrificing any features. Want to learn more? Check the link below. The Corsair iQUE 2000D is one of the most innovative and customizable Mini ITX cases available in 2026. Designed with gamers and creators in mind, this case offers impressive airflow and cooling support, allowing you to create a PC that performs at its best. The iQUE 2000D supports multiple fans and radiators, making it ideal for those who want to build a water-cooled system or simply need extra airflow. It also has a spacious interior, allowing for the installation of high-end GPUs and a variety of storage options. The case features Corsair's signature iQUE integration, which allows you to sync your lighting and cooling fans for a visually stunning setup. If you want a case that balances performance and style, the Corsair iQUE 2000D is a great option. Don't miss out. Check the link below for more details. The Streacom ST-DA2 V2 SDA2 V2 is a high-quality Mini ITX case designed for builders who want ultimate flexibility and customization. This case is unique because of its modular design, which allows you to configure your build in a variety of ways. Whether you're building a quiet home theater PC, a powerful gaming rig, or a workstation, the DA2V2 gives you the freedom to choose how you want to set up your components. It supports various cooling options, including liquid cooling, and is made from high-quality aluminum, which ensures durability and a premium feel. The case is also compact, making it a great choice for those who need a space-saving solution without compromising on performance. Want a fully customizable and flexible case for your Mini ITX build? The Streacom ST-DA2 V2S DA2 V2 is the way to go. Check out the link below for more details and pricing. When it comes to building a powerful Mini ITX system, the case you choose plays a crucial role in determining how well your components perform and how aesthetically pleasing your setup will be. Whether you're looking for performance, style, or a blend of both, these top 5 Mini ITX cases for 2026 offer great options for gamers, creators, and professionals alike. From the sleek Fractal Design Era 2 to the customizable Streacom ST-DA2V 2SDA2V2, each case has something unique to offer. Ready to start your next build? Check out the links below for more details and grab the perfect Mini ITX case for your setup today.